After serving thousands of customers over the last 38 years that we've been in business, we are now presenting to you our humble offering with our Service Shield. The Pune Gas Service Shield will help you secure and serve your gas systems and your gas pipelines and help you to protect them to maximize your business. With the Pune Gas Service Shield, we are presenting comprehensive and standard annual maintenance contracts, packages for your gas systems, LPG banks and your gas pipelines. Your gas pipelines that need to be tested, certified, cleaned and serviced periodically will all be covered under our Service Shield packages. We also have value-added services such as leak detection systems, emergency on-call services and access to all our spare parts, equipment and components within our portfolio to be available to all the businesses that use gas, LPG, natural gas anywhere in India. We have our entire dedicated team of service technicians, managers, engineers on the field who are waiting to help you and your business to secure your gas infrastructure and your gas networks with having all the up-to-date health checkups done periodically and on time. So contact our team at Pune Gas today for the Service Shield packages to help you and your business be safe, secure and let us help you to maximize your business with Pune Gas Service Shield.